Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
19,680 candidates will be answering at 29 centers across the state, out of which 9,790 those are the boys and 9,890 are the girls. We have made a special arrangement. Some of our students, because of lockdown, they are across the borders of Maharashtra and Karnataka. So to facilitate them to answer the examinations, we have opened 6 centers on the border itself, border of Maharashtra and Karnataka. There are 4 such sub-centers open in Sindhudurga district and 2 sub-centers in Karnataka. It starts from Patradevi, so that is this side it is Arunda. This is one of the center. Second one, this is in Satarda. Third one, this is in Ai. This is Government Primary School, Dodamarg. Fourth one, this is New English High School, Bedshi. This is Dodamarg. These are the 4 centers in the border of Maharashtra, and 2 more. One is in Cholla Khanapur, Karnataka. This is Government Upper Primary School, and the 6th one, this is in Karwar. This is Union High School in Mazadi.
SSC बोर्डाचे एग्जाम पहिला जो माद्रे सेंटर आसा तो पेपर आसा तो हॉर्टिकल्चर आणि पयलींच हांगा हर्मल पंचक्रोशी हायस्कूल आसा सब सेंटर स्टार्ट जाल्लें आसा. हांगा आमी सगळी जी तयारी आसा सोशल डिस्टन्स मेंटेन केल्लो आसा, सॅनिटायझर लायिल्लो आसा, सगळ्या भुरग्यांची बऱ्यापैकी इवन गन जे आसा तेजें टेम्परेचर सगळें नॉर्मल आसा. बऱ्यापैकी आमी हांगा एग्जाम स्टार्ट केल्ली आसा.
ह्या हर्मल सब सेंटरात एकूण 133 विद्यार्थ्यांची आम्ही सिटिंग अरेंजमेंट केल्ली आसा.
आपले जे हात आसात ते 20 सेकंड सारखे रब करून सोडटा आणि मागीर तांकां 1 बाय 1 आमी त्या ब्लॉकांनी व्हरता, चेक करता. इन केस जर टेम्परेचर वाडलेले दिसले तेचे जाल्यार इमिजिएट मेडिकल हेल्प घेवपा खातीर आमची यंत्रणा सज्ज आसा.